One time.
Standard.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today I will be showing you how I turn X-pression synthetic to weave on. So what I do, the color I use is color 2. Then I just divide it into 2 places, then pull it out so that I will not have that sharp mark. After pulling it out, then I will comb it to sure that everything is combed, is smooth, because if we are cutting it so that it will not be gummy together because it's synthetic. Then after combing it, I will bring thread. The thread I will be using is this very strong thread. It look like the thread I used to sew shoe, because that is the strong than those small one we used to sew clothes. I just thread it into 4 places, then I use scissors to cut it. The chair I use, you can use table or anything you have is fine. This is the small chair. I can turn upside down and tie the thread and round it around to be sure that it's tight. You have to make it tight if you are doing this hair, because if it's not tight, it will be pulled down. Even my own was still pulled down because its rod is smooth. Then I will pull it up. I don't know if you understand me, so I make it very tight. For the first one, I just cut a little bit for separate, so that, as you can see, it's very small. If I just want to take it like that, it will be very easy for me to take, not to hold the bunch of synthetic on my hand. Everything is going to scatter. Then moving to the one we are going to be used is just a little bit, not too big just because you want to finish it or time. No, don't make it big, just make it small. It take time, just take time. Is when you'll be doing this. If you are a mom, your kids is playing in the sitting room, you are watching them, they are watching TV, you just sit down and be doing it. Then after like putting the extension in the thread, then you pull it out, draw it to one side so that there will be a space for you to repeat the rest process. So I repeat this process until the full extension I just divide into 2 finish. It finished for the 4 thread around of the chair. So I'm done with that part. Moving to comb side, I will just comb it to make sure that everything is combed and smooth, because if it's not combed, dipping it inside the hot water is going to be difficult to comb that time because it's already matte together. Then you have to comb it so very smooth, let everything be straight. Then I will cut it from this side. I will tie it. Tying it, you have to make the side of where you tie it to be more big, not too big, so that it cannot pull out when you are tying the other side. So I will still tie the other side, shift the hair to one side to lap together so that there will not be a space for the thread.
Go down.
The straightener I'm going to use is already plugged, so it's hot. If you are doing this kind of hair, you have to be careful not to touch the synthetic, because it's going to melt the synthetic. It's just the upside so that it will gum together with the thread and it will not move together. After burning it, you will see it will be shiny. Once you know that it burned, even though if you use it for wig cap, it's not going to show. So just to make it secure to glue together. So this is how it looked like after burning the upside. You have to be careful for the down again. Then the water is already boiled. I don't have condition again, my condition finished. So the one I have, I use it. If you have, is okay. If you don't have, it's still okay because the water is hot. Then I will pour hot water from up to the down, then dip it inside, then hang it somewhere it can drill water out, because if it's drilling water out like that, it's straighting, it can't be fold. You understand? You just hang it the place that it will drill water out, then leave it for the next day. The next day you will comb it, then it will be bouncing like this. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, because I make this head, I change it to wig, so that anytime I upload that one, they will just send you message that I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed weekend and be safe. Love you guys. Bye.
Them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh,